Record. This is Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institute, and we are talking about Selban test, which happens in Canada for the nursing registration. And the topic is about there are two kind of writings that come in Selban test. One is incident report, and the second one is letter. So letter basically are of medical topics, but they can be related to general public health issues. Like this one, I will read it for you. So it says obesity epidemic worldwide is an increasing worry for the public health administrators. So basically, the public health administrators are finding it hard to manage the obesity pandemic. In Canada, food producers are required to write the nutritional value about the food that is packaged and sold. So anything that we are buying packaging comes with nutrition value, like it's written proteins is 0.25 mg, so it is necessary. Increasingly, restaurant menus also contain caloric information. So this is nice that even Canadian government has a call for this thing that restaurant menus should have the caloric information. This type of information is helpful, but public education would be even more powerful. So that is the point. So that is where the letters start. This information is helpful, but public education would be even more powerful. Schools, workplaces, like the children, the employees, and the business should be engaged in an effort to support the public in making the healthy choices to unburden your healthcare systems from obesity related diseases. So that is what basically this letter is asking about, is to unburden healthcare system so that there can be less obesity, means less problems, less diseases, less patients, and that is how the healthcare system will become unburdened and improve the overall condition of society. So in Selban, what it says is, now we will write, you read the statement above in the editorial section of your local news. Write a letter to the editor agreeing or disagreeing with the comments in the editorial above. So in this particular topic, I would like to agree, because obviously everybody would like that even the education should be given to schools, workplaces, and businesses, so that everybody can be made aware according to their respective. See, if we will start from the schools, so children will become habitual of taking healthy food, and then well they will turn into employees and will work in the workplaces. Even then they will be aware. So it will set up a tone for the next generation to be aware, and for the current generation who are already in the business and workplaces, so education over there would be great initiative, and it will definitely unburden the healthcare systems. Then it says about editorial, clearly express your opinion. So we are clearly expressing that we are on this side, and provide a rationale to your idea. Rationale is logical, so you can give an example. For example, if like the way I have given the example, for example, if the school children are made aware, they will become habitual for their rest of the life. So it will not only set up the tone for the present but also for the future. And for the people who are at the workplaces and businesses, they do not have time to get education regarding the foods and nutrition at this point of time. So when they would be doing it at the workplaces and businesses, it becomes even more powerful. It becomes even easier to give them education. So overall, when everybody would be aware about this, so it will definitely be an add-on, and that will definitely unburden our health systems, because the less people would be giving, because obesity itself is the reason of many diseases. So tip, explore the types of education about healthy eating that a school, workplace, or business could provide. So type of education is, of course, they can in the schools can be put into the curriculum, and in the workplace or businesses there can be special sessions that could be attended on different days. So you can say it as as awareness programs can be arranged at the workplaces or the business places. How feasible would it be? Yes, it would be. And they have said us we need to make 3 paragraphs, and we have 20 minutes, so we have very limited time. So we start with, dear sir, comma, I'm writing this letter regarding this particular topic, in which it has been said that I was reading the newspaper topic in which it has been, so it is a newspaper topic. So I will write, I'm writing this letter regarding the topic I read in the newspaper, in which I found that there is a new thing that government would like to introduce, that says that it can be powerful, about that schools, workplaces, or businesses should be engaged in an effort to support the public. And I really agree, or I am in complete favor of this statement, because obviously it's going to make the world a better and a healthy place. Also, it will unburden our healthy healthcare systems, because it will unburden everything, because the people will be feeling at ease. And most importantly, how feasible would be, I will be making setup paragraph, second paragraph, that yes, it would be very much feasible, because in the schools, if children would be updated, like I mentioned 2 times earlier, so if the children would be updated, they would be following it in the present, then it will become a habit, so in the future it will become possible. So of course it is feasible. At the workplace or business, it is possible up to an extent only, because workplace or businesses, the people have less time, because when you become employees you don't have much time. So at the places it can be made feasible by arranging weekend awareness programs. So of course it is feasible. However, whether this would improve overall health, of course this will improve overall health, because people would be able to eat nutritional food if they would have knowledge, and this will make them habitual of eating good things, and this will definitely improve the overall health of our system. So it will definitely make us feel better. So this is how we should write a letter. We can make 3 paragraphs. So tomorrow ma'am, you may attempt a letter for us, and then we can do it accordingly, and I will check the letter and will update again to our YouTube viewers, so that they can also see it. So you can give it a good shot, and then I will check it tomorrow and will add on the YouTube. But this is just a tentative idea how we can write it. Is it